Do not do it in my time. Nakukurnihan ako niyan. Ay mo ba na, ibigay mo. So, yung namuliti ka dyan, pera naman nila yan. Where is it? Huwag na yung, do not do it again. Cut it. I do not like it.
Sandra Cam.
In every catastrophic event, whether man-made or nature, we face the same problem. It is a recurring one. First is the problem of human beings being kept from a distance or removed from the danger zone, and to provide. So it is always demanded of the situation that we safeguard health, so we have to provide temporary shelters. Itong karamihan tents, and they are exposed to the ravages of nature sa labas, and the psychological impact on the people. Education is cut temporarily, and these are the things that we have to worry. So first is, sabi nga ni Governor, is I will take care first of the food, which you're running short. I'll give you about, kanong pera mo? I'll give you initially today 20 million, and I will augment it tomorrow by sending you about 50 for the operation, lahat na for pagkain, and I'm interested in the hygiene or sanitation of the place. So in the meantime, if there is none constructed, we have to somehow deliver a sanitary way of disposing human waste, and that would be like if there are available portable toilets in Manila, we can always send them by maybe I'm still pupunta kasi ako ng Marawi pa to distribute the temporary shelters. So I will just ask somebody in my office to take care of where to find for it and send them immediately. Maybe ipasa ko na lang sa kay Defense Secretary so that he can request the AFP to transport them as immediately as it is possible. It is available. May pera ang agriculture, so that kung mayroon pa akong madukot, hindi ko pakialaman yan, just focus that fund for rehab sa agriculture damage. Malaki yan man. Agriculture pati yung infrastructures. I said if Mr. Solidomo says it right, yung baba ng lahar would also destroy our roads and bridges and infrastructure. We have to keep track of that. But ang problema ngayon is pagkain and sanitation and health. So I suppose that from the presentation that was given, medyo okay naman siguro. If there's a shortfall or something, so let me know so that I can bring the matter to my office so that somebody can move. Ang long term is the rehab of agriculture. Maraming pera ang DA. Karami mo pera, 100 million. Well, everybody has a fund for that. Every department has always a component for a crisis. Lahat yan sila. I suppose that everybody was doing his work, contributing, not much, not exactly on equal with the others. There can be no parity of money in the contribution, but at least the machinery of government is working. So the short term is really ang pagkain, health, and sanitation and everything. The second is really the cleaning up and improving on the evacuation centers as much as possible to protect the people from nature. Especially it's an open thing, and they can children especially are vulnerable to colds and fever and everything. Bantayan lang yan. It would take a intense surveillance of the part of the DOH na walang mangyaring yung magkalat na. So one worry really is sanitation. And DOH maybe can provide something, but we will try to send as many as we can gather and find itong mga portable toilets. Somebody has to supervise from the health office dito or DOH for its upkeep. It's a closed enclosure, and there must be some sort of cleaning maybe some chemicals there that are not really harmful kasi sarado yan pangpalinis lang just to contain an emerging disease whatsoever. Yun lang man ang nakita ko, and if there's any complaint about how we responded, maybe I can hear it now para if it's money, I'm leaving paint right now. Saan yung pera? Bigay mo na kay sa provincial government ng Albay. It's 20 million. I understand that hard hit are about 4 or 5 municipalities. Wag na, laki na, ito na. Do not do it in my time. Nakukurnihan ako niyan. Ay mo ba na, ibigay mo. Kaya namuliti ka dyan, pera naman nila yan. Where is it? Wag na yung, do not do it again. Cut it. I do not like it. Sandra. Sandra. Hinahanap ka ni ni Balutan. This is for coming from? PCSO. Okay. Salamat ha. Right. So you have 25 initially. Spend it the way you want, but for the people. Wala akong dyan. Pagkain, sanitation, I said, is very important. We will remedy the situation. Yan talaga ang problema, even in Marawi. And for the years that I've been with the local government, it's almost the same. Fire, flood, ganon. Bantayan lang ninyo yung sakit, pati it's aggravated by a poorly attended to sanitation or hygiene. So, ang pinaka dyan is important is DOH, including lahat naman siguro. This money of Secretary Piñol is offering, he has 100 million kung gusto. But if there's an immediate and urgent need to spend for agricultural aspects in this crisis, Secretary Piñol and ito with the Undersecretary Puyat sa agriculture, they're ready to give the money anytime. Quick Reaction Fund. So, mas mabuti yung it's geared towards agricultural problems muna to take care. But we will be there to rehabilitate. It's a matter of how far the destruction of lahar would cause on the soil of your province. Yun lang ang worry natin. Nothing grows. You have to wait over time for the soil to get the characteristics of a usable for plant and for living thing. Sana maghinto na lang. Kaya ako nagbiro ako, Governor, nung umalis ako, I was really worried because I was going to India. And ayaw ko sana magpunta, but you'd know later that it could cause some diplomatic. So I had to go, and I was able also to get something from them, both our support for ASEAN. So pero nung nagsalita ako, sabi ko sa airport, birong bata. Sabi ko na kung if you happen to meet Miss Mayon, sabihin mo sa kanya, galit ako sa at tiniming pa niya yung magdadala ako ng problema doon sa sino ba naman may gusto, so I have to keep track of everything. Every now and then I'd like to I ask my aide to show me what's modern technology is really very, very good, so I'll keep track of the physical and the unseen problems of a situation which so-called like ang gusto ko lang malaman dito kung may reklamo na kulang ang aming response. If there is a short of the services that we are expected to do, let me know kasi gagawin natin kaagad. Maybe we will always have some money for you. I'm sure. Huwag lang magsabay itong lahat ng volcano sa Pilipinas. Kung sabayan ito ng Mount Apo, yung sa akin, malaki yung problema yon. But the last time it was glowing, I was high school. So, yung ganon, yung started with like a flare at a distance, and it stopped. Because siguro sabi ni Mayon, wag mo akong unahan. Let me explode first. I don't know why, but bakit ang mga Bicolano ang inuna? Marami namang, of course, Pinatubo was also really hell for us. So, in any situation, in any country, at any time or event, always remember that if a thing can go wrong, it will go wrong. Just like ngayon. So sabihin ninyo ngayon kung anong sorry, may Tagalog. Ano yung pagkukulang namin. You stick with your Bicolano, ito mga Tagalog, mahirap. Pagkukulang, at we will try to answer, mitigate or remedy the situation.